10,000 watermelons become this every single day.
But how does a 20-pound melon turn into pure liquid?
This single line processes over 2,500 liters every hour.
But one contamination could ruin an entire batch.
See this hidden step that most people never know about? Oh. The secret starts way before the juice extraction.
Every melon is hand-selected in these fields at dawn.
Each truckload carries over 1,000 melons to the factory.
All right, gates open. You're good to go. Just watch the curb. Keep coming straight back. All right, hold it. And stop right there. Surface clear on this one. Weight is within tolerance.
Okay, noted. Moving to the next unit.
Every single melon gets scrubbed for 45 seconds straight.
But how do they dry thousands without damaging them? Check the moisture levels on these.
Yeah. A few are too dry.
Only perfect melons make it past this checkpoint.
I think every factory does this level of cleaning.
Size matters when you're juicing 10,000 melons daily.
What defects are they looking for that machines don't catch? Triple checked before they reach the cutting machines.
How many actually make it through all these checks?
This is where the real transformation begins.
But what happens to all that leftover pulp? Pressure's dropping slightly near the filtration unit. Right. I'm tightening the valve now. It should stabilize.
Safety protocols require 2 operators at all times.
All right, bring it forward. Easy now, tilt down. Okay, lift it up. Clearance is good, bring it back slowly. Anything. How does this produce such pure juice without additives?
Every batch gets tested for sugar content and purity.
How do they fill thousands of bottles without any contamination?
Every bottle gets individually checked before packaging.
Where does all this juice go from here? All right, keep it coming back and hold it. Set it down easy.
Each pallet holds over 500 bottles ready for distribution.
Move it out. Coming through, stand clear.
A little more to the left. All right, hold it there. You're good.
How do they keep it cold during transport?
Three 300 trucks leave this facility every single day.
Can you believe this all started with those watermelons we saw at the farm?